Hello guys, it's your boy Hamir here. Welcome back, or if you are new here, welcome for the very first time. I've got something exciting lined up for us today. And trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this. No fluff, no dragging, just good vibes and straight into the action. Let's get started. So today I'm not really gonna do much because today is Saturday. Today is 21st of June, I think. Yeah, it's 21st, I think myself. So I'm going to wrap things up with Bitcoin because as you guys all know, the Forex market don't open on weekends, but BTC surely do. So I'm gonna do a short video of BTC USD, how to trade it, what is going on with BTC USD right now, etc., etc., etc. Sorry for my notification, I don't know what's going on. So let's start. Since I'm a student, I'm like I was learning. Let's say I started learning Forex. I think this should be my first to second year, I guess. I don't really remember, but I I remember very well that I lost a lot of money because I did not really know what the foreign market is until I met the almighty Dapu Willis. Thank you, sir, and shout out to him. With his amazing strategy, it changed my life entirely. So I'm just here to help you guys out. So just start. Let's start. So we are going to kick off with BTC USD, and I think that is what we are going to do today. Only for today. This video, this video is not going to be that long. It's going to be just short. I don't want it to be lengthy. You understand what I'm trying to say? So let's start. So as you can see on the chart that the BTC USD is totally bullish. You can see it very clear. There's no argument. You understand? There's nothing you can argue about. There's nothing to argue. See, it's bearish. And you can see me. You can see I drew my key level nicely. They are looking nice. I got this stuff by Dapple Willis. That the guy is amazing with drawing key levels. Like you can just get the mastery course. You are good to go. So let's kick it off. So that is the monthly time frame is telling me bullish. So everything I'm like if I want to trade, it is what bullish. So now let's go to the weekly time frame. The monthly time frame is usually for trend and chart pattern. So I've not seen any chart pattern here. But although I can see this a bearish engulfing candle with a this thing. What's the name again? Okay, I've forgotten. Ah, to be sincere, sometimes in the forex market we tend to forget things a lot. I don't blame us. That we have learned a lot. This is like a course self. So this is it's how a doji, yeah, a doji. That's how we call it, doji. This is supposed to be a morning star, but I don't really think it's a morning star because the bullish engulfing candle has not completely engulfed the bearish engulfing candle. So I don't really think, but sure, uptrend is an uptrend. But you can see that this market have respected this key level twice. It's kind of forming a double top. But sure, let's just see. Just know that this market is bullish. We can say its overall target is bullish, but temporarily it is bearish. But let's just go and check it out, right? So now we go to the 1 week, the weekly time frame. So you can see everything more clearly. As you can see everything more clearly. Sorry for my chat, I'm using my phone. My laptop is not really with me right now, so I can't use that, so I have to stick with this. So you can see it's still an uptrend. You can see very well this area here is forming a double top. Are you seeing? But sure, let's just see. It has not broken this key level, so technically I would not really like to trade this market, to be honest with you. I wouldn't really want to trade this market, but I traded this market. Yeah, don't worry, I'll show you where I entered and what happened. So now bullish, bearish, whatever. So now we go to the one daily time frame. Sorry for this daily time frame. What are we seeing? This trading view with their ads annoying. So but their trading is the best of the best. If you want to like do any analysis, I advise you to do use trading view. It's the best, it's one of the best. So as you can see, this black line was a major support. If you were really paying attention to the 1 month, let me go back. You really go back to the monthly time frame, you don't really see anything here because it's monthly time frame. You can only see one touch. But if you go back to the weekly or daily time frame, you can see multiple touches. Are you seeing? So it's not really that much, but one touch, just like retest, whatever continuation. So I won't really, yeah, it's retest, sure. But the black line is significant. So when we go back to the daily time frame, we can see this happening. You can see this happening. Market came back down. Are you seeing? It is even forming a double top in the daily time frame. Let me check the weekly. It's forming it also forming a double top in the weekly. This market might go down. To be sincere, you see, it's forming a double top. Oh, wow, this market might go down. But let's just see. We're not supposed to trade right now. But I know stubborn traders will want to trade. I was once stubborn, and it have taught me a lesson. Like when you blow your account several times, it will teach you lessons. Not one lesson, lessons. So let's go. So just a double top. Me, I'm not gonna trade it. So let me just show you where I entered this market. I was bullish, short. So I was a short. It made me money, but let me just tell you the truth. This market made me money and took some away from me. To be sincere, let me show you what happened. I did this analysis and I came to realize that if you go to the weekly time frame, even daily, monthly, anyone you want to go to, if you go to these time frames, you can see this. You can see this is a Fibonacci level. Let me draw it out. Fib retracement. If you get the course, you really know all this Fib or whatever stuff. It teaches it in the course. As you can see, the Fibonacci, draw it. So you see, are you seeing this? This is absolutely amazing. This is great. Wait, my phone. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. You can see A, B, C, D, E. Are you seeing? It came back to the 50 Fibonacci level. Are you seeing? Or was it the 60? Yeah, the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Are you seeing? So technically, this market was. I saw this thing. You know what I did? I waited for a bullish engulfing candlestick. I will not lie. I saw that trade. Let me go to the weekly time frame so I can see it very well, very clearly, very nicely. So on the sorry for my phone, you have to bear with me. But to be honest, it's not really about the phone, it's about if you're listening to what I'm saying. I know this might not be your first video, this might not be your first time watching video on YouTube about all this thing, but really try, like, take it from me that Willie is one of the best mentors I've ever had, and I want to like make him proud. That's why I'm helping you guys on the little things, understand? So please guys, if you can, it will really help me if you just subscribe and like the channel, like the video, comment. You can follow me on any social media platform, be it X, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, anyone. I'm there. Just Hamir FX. I'm kind of a mysterious person. Nobody really knows my face, so but I'll show my friends my face. I just want to see if I can get more like fans, a lot of them. Don't worry, I'll show my face one day and you guys will see my face. That right? Okay, let's go to the charts. So this is where I entered this market. Let me draw a black line here. I entered this market around here. I waited for a bullish engulfing candle when it hit the 61.8 retracement level. I waited for a bullish engulfing candle to completely cover the bearish engulfing candle, and that happened. I learned that from Dapo, and that happened. I entered this trade. I made my first level target was here. This was my first level target. I'm not gonna lie. This made me a lot of money. This made me, was it $1,125? This was not really, this was just a risk trade. Normally I don't trade BTC. I was just looking at the market, just try it. Let me just use my normal account and just let's see what's going to happen. You just put the money and see what is going to happen. So I did that, and that happened. My second level target was here. When I reached my first level target, I took out the 50% and allowed 50 to be there. So my third level target was here. This was my third level target around here. This was super. I know my third level target is not really that much Pip, but at least I took it. This was my last level target. And what did the market do? Nothing. As you can see, this market did not even reach that place. It just reached my third level target and just tanked down. That is where I lost money. To be honest, let's just calculate the pips. Let's see the pips. I want to do this. Let's just see from here to here. From here to here, I was stop loss was below the black line, and I started. Started somewhere around here. So my risk to reward was 15. Can you imagine? Like, see what I was risking to get the whole of this. That was just it, to get 8,000 pips. I'm risking 500 to get 8,000 pips. That is crazy. So that's what I had. I did that. First level target hit. I got 101, 1,125 dollars. First level targets. The second level target, got it. Third level target, but I did not. I only took the first level target. The rest came down. I moved my stop loss to break even, and that took me out massively. And you can see what's going on. And if you see, this market is like it's going down. To be honest. Hello guys, I'm back. Sorry for the distraction. I was a little bit distracted. I had to take this. So now let's do that again. So if we draw our counter trend line right here, we can just call it trend line around this region here and draw it to the downside. You can see that this market, to be honest, to be very very frank with you and to be sincere, I'm not, if I was to trade this market, I'll wait for it to break the counter trend line with a bullish engulfing 4-hour candle. Apart from that, I'll sit on my hands. To be honest, I will sit on my hands. Or there are two possibilities in this trade: either it goes down or comes up. If it comes up, break trend line, first level target here, second level target here. But if it comes down, I can say this would be my 100% retracement. What is going on now? Why is my stuff not working? What is going on now? Please work. I don't know what is wrong with my network. My network has been just acting out. Sorry guys, my network was acting up, so I had to check it out. So like I was saying, my first level target would be here. And to be sincere, I did this analysis already. I just cleaned my chart and started over. I did something like this around here, coming. Since this is not really my laptop, I can't control. I'm using my phone to do this, so I can't really control it. So I would say this was around. This is not right. Sorry, this is not right. Let's go again. Let's go there one more time. Yeah, that should be cool. Touch this. So initially I was waiting for this market to break this yellow bar here and touch this red line like it just did, and come for retest and then drop back down. Normally I would have entered this market right about here, but I just don't want to enter it. BTC have taught me a lot of things and I just want to wait it out. So let's just see. This one is just prediction. I'm not really sure, but let's just see. Maybe on Sunday I will check it out and tell you guys what happened. But for now, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to be sitting on my hands. I'm not going to trade any pair right now. I'm waiting for next week. Like that police said, I'm trading like twice a month. I took my last trade on euro AUD, and it made me my profit. If you go to any of my social media platform, you see them. It gave me profit of $1K. Just trying, not like I'm the best trader ever or that I'm too good, just that I'm just trying my best to just make Dapo Willis proud and make my parents proud and just make money. That is the main thing in this market, to make money. So a quick recap: break the other trend line, retest or no retest, bullish engulfing, go up. Break the trend line, retest and engulfing candle, enter. But now see what it's doing. Market might be coming down, so if you are entering this trade, I literally advise you to come to make your phase level target to be around here, 100% retracement, and then you can decide to tank down. Never forget to bring your profit to break even. It really saves you a lot of money, it saves you your ass, it saves you everything. So on a closing note, this is just really a game for this is not a game, this is not luck, this is just us predicting the market. There is no difference between you gambling and trading. It's absolutely the same thing, but Dapo says trading went to school. And I remember on one of Dapo's live video, he said something about trading going to school while gambling didn't go to school. So on a lighter note, just stay profitable, because when you're profitable, me, Hamir, and happy, I'm very very happy. And just forget to be patient, never give up, and trade wisely, and ensure proper risk management. That is the main thing. So on a lighter note, just be patient, bro. Leave the markets. So, on a lighter note, just be profitable, change your mindset, be patient, do not over trade, do not revenge trade. I'm telling you because I've had experience, I've blown accounts, a lot of them, so I understand this type of feeling. So, what I'm just trying to say is you should change your mindset of like trading making you rich quick, this rich quick whatever, I don't really know how to call it. Just change that mentality and you'll be good to go. And I just want you guys to be profitable and happy. That is the only thing. If you are profitable, I am happy, I promise you. Have you ever entered a trade, then the market flips on you like it was never with you to begin with? Like, has that ever happened to you before? It has happened to me several times. To just flip, like, see, like the market was not even with you self. Oh god, I'm in Nigeria. I know where I come from. Money is everything. Money is everything. Money is everything. Sometimes I say that Forex market taught me that love is not the only thing that hurts. Market reversal do too. Don't play with market reversal. They will. Oh, that one, like, I don't even know how to put it. That one is, you are done for. That one, it is over. It is over. Your heart will just and like your heart will just fall. Don't play with market reversals. So they will end you. Love doesn't hurt. Market reversal hurts a lot. So on a lighter note, just keep doing what you're doing, be profitable out, and drop me a comment, subscribe to my channel, follow me on all social media platforms. I'll be really really happy if you do, and just make me happy to like post more content. Maybe I might even do one with a bigger screen or with my face, but I'm not really going to show my face. That is one thing I want to keep secret. But you guys should just stay profitable, and please don't forget to drop me a like, please comment, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to smash that notification bar. Peace out. Hamir out.